What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, park was a success-ish. I didn't really break anything, but I did fairly mess up the car a little bit. It's really nothing. It was fine. Anyway, it was a success. It was awesome. Amber drove great. It worked all day long up until the last 2 laps when I ran out of fuel. And I say 2 laps because I did 1 lap where it was running out of fuel, and I had promised James from Team Tanushimu, one of his friends, could have a ride along. Sorry for butchering that name, by the way. So I had her jump in the car, and the car just, like, basically after the first 2 corners, it just fell flat on its face. It was horrible. So that part sucked. But the car made it. And I still had enough gas to get it up on the trailer, which is awesome. I don't know if I have enough gas to get it off the trailer, but I probably do. And it's not really a priority right now because this is even ugly by my standards. And I have pretty low standards. So I got to fix this today. I think that's what I'll do. Also, check out this rim. That is pretty typical of me. The inside corners at park, once it's like wet and muddy and people go over it a couple times, they start getting dug out, and I tend to stick to the inside lines and inside lines a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, there's a lot of pictures of me doing that, and you can see what I'm talking about. That's the result of doing that, though. And also, I broke a wheel too. I forgot about that. But that's neither here nor there. Not a problem. Anyway, today we're going to do some fiberglass work. I already got the bumper out there, and I think I will start with that one. I might not finish it today, but I have most of the stuff to fix fiberglass, but no real knowledge. I have an idea of it. I've watched some YouTube videos. I've done it before, but I'm not the greatest at it, so we'll see what happens. So I've already cleaned this out once, just using water, and it's still pretty nasty. So I'm going to clean it one more time, both in and out, and yeah, just get it where I can start fiberglassing. Big secret, though, don't tell anybody, is you have to use raspberry scented soap. It's the best, and any fiberglass guy will tell you that's the stuff to use right there. Both the front bumper now, nice and clean. Rear bumper, nice and clean on the inside and out. And you can really see now with the sun over there just how much work I have to do. You can see all the sunlight coming through. It's pretty gnarly. It's all the thin spots. But it's totally repairable. And yeah, hopefully I can do this. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, now that it's a little more dry, you can kind of see what I'm working with here. All these cracks, all this. So what the internets say to do is to take your cutoff wheel or something along those lines and just make nice deep cuts all the way through on all of these, and then glass the back of it, which some people do, some people don't. There's more right there. I think that's the method I'm going to try and use and see how it turns out. I already did it over here on the rear bumper, and it looks pretty straightforward. I mean, like, I should be able to lay some glass on the other end. I went ahead and put this bracket here though, because this was still all closely one piece and the right length and where it needed to be. So I wanted to make sure that it stayed square-ish as I'm cutting it all up. I don't know what I'm going to do here for that. I'll see what I can do, but that's my idea, and we'll see if it works. After far too much time, this is what I come up with. Just sanded down all of this so I could get Bondo in here after I lay glass on the other side. But man, this is like a flat earth documentary on YouTube. Because the more and more you look at those things, the further and further down the rabbit hole you go. There's cracks everywhere that I would have to cut and then sand, and then find another one, cut, sand. Same thing with the rear bumper over here. It has a bunch of stuff all wrong with it too. I'm going to start by fixing this one first, because this one I don't care as much about, so if it's not right, it's not a big deal. Whereas the front one, I kind of want to make sure that one looks nice. So I'm going to wrap it up today. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, and if I did anything wrong, let me know, because I honestly don't really know. Again, I look on YouTube and watch videos, and I've done like mild fiberglass repair before, but nothing to this extent. So I don't know if I'm going about it wrong, going about it right. Obviously, I'm a little far now that it's going to have to go this way. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, and if I'm doing anything wrong, put it in the comments or PM me, whatever, it doesn't really matter. But probably tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm going to start fiberglassing the backside of it. Because it turns out I don't have the resin. I have the hardener and the glass. I don't have the resin for some reason. So I'm going to have to do something about that. Maybe steal some from the body shop that's over by my work. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. I'll wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, do all that other stuff, and I'll see you guys later.